Look up at the night sky. It is beautiful. It is full of stars. But look at the gaps between them. It is dark. Almost perfectly black. That seems obvious, right? Space is black because there is nothing out there to light it up. But here is the problem. If the universe were infinite, static, and filled with stars, the night sky should not be dark. In fact, it should be as bright as the surface of the sun. This paradox was popularized by the German astronomer Heinrich Olbers in 1823, though it had been puzzling thinkers as far back as Kepler in 1610. If you were in an infinite universe with stars spread uniformly, every line of sight would eventually hit a star. Distant stars are fainter, but there are more of them. These two effects cancel out perfectly. The entire sky should be ablaze with light, so why is it dark? The answer tells us something profound about the nature of the universe itself. Let's find out what. Please support this science channel grow by just subscribing. That would mean a great help. A common sense explanation is that dust and gas block the light from distant stars. Maybe the universe is full of stuff that just absorbs the light. This was considered as a possible solution. But it does not work. If dust absorbs light, it gets hot. And just like a warm rock on a summer day, it will re-emit that energy as radiation. The light would not disappear, it would just be transformed. The universe would still be bright, just at different wavelengths. The fundamental problem remains. The real solution starts with a simple fact. Light takes time to travel. We see the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. We see distant galaxies as they were millions or billions of years ago. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. This means that light can only have traveled a finite distance since the Big Bang. The observable universe is a sphere around us with a radius of about 13.8 billion light-years. We cannot see anything beyond this horizon. Any star beyond this distance has not had time for its light to reach us. This is a crucial piece of the puzzle. For the night sky to be as bright as the sun, the universe would need to be about 6.6 thousand trillion light-years in radius to have enough stars to cover the sky. The actual observable universe is far, far smaller than that. There simply are not enough stars within our cosmic horizon to light up the sky. The finite age of the universe is a huge part of the answer, but there is a second effect. The universe is not static, it is expanding. As space itself expands, it stretches the wavelengths of light traveling through it. This is called cosmological redshift. Light from the most distant stars and galaxies is not just traveling a long way. It is being stretched to longer and longer wavelengths. This shifts visible light into the infrared or even microwave part of the spectrum. The energy of the light is diluted, making it much dimmer and invisible to our eyes. Here is the most mind-blowing part. When we turn on the most sensitive radio telescopes, the darkness between the stars is not completely empty. We see a faint, ever-present glow in the microwave region of the spectrum. This is the cosmic microwave background, CMB. It is the afterglow of the Big Bang, the leftover heat from the universe when it was a hot, dense plasma about 380,000 years old. At that time, it was glowing at a temperature of about 3000 Kelvin. But due to the expansion of the universe, that light has been stretched by a factor of about 1100. Today we see it as a faint glow from a black body at a temperature of just 2.725 Kelvin. So why is space black? Because the universe is not eternal. It has a finite age, and this limits how far we can see. And because the universe is expanding, the light from the most distant objects has been redshifted into invisibility, The night sky is not truly empty. It is filled with the dim, stretched out afterglow of the Big Bang. The darkness of the night sky is not a sign of emptiness. It is a direct observation of the universe's finite history and ongoing expansion. Thanks for watching, and hit subscribe for more deep dives into the cosmos.